Welcome everyone, thank you so much for joining in. So today, if you start this analysis by looking at this very interesting indicator, this indicator right now is pointing out the trend actually is a very bullish trend, because I told you on my previous video, this Williams alligator indicator, when you see this green line crossing over the red line and the blue line, that is a sign of an uptrend, because the green line, which is a lip of alligator, and the jaw line, which is the blue line here, when you see this kind of mouth opening of an alligator, that indicates the trend is now in an uptrend. You can see we had a really nice pump, and again similar scenario, and now where we are, this is actually also indicating, hey, we can see a similar price structure, because in the previous example, this wider opening of moving averages has led to a really nice price move to the upside. And if we look at this price structure of Bitcoin and also look at this scenario right now where we are, guys, this is pointing out that maybe the price of Bitcoin is actually following this ascending channel. So this ascending channel right now is pointing out that since the price has clearly found support at the lower line area, for example here you can see that right at the lower line area, now the trend until we reach the upper line of this ascending channel could be still in a very bullish phase. And right now, if we look at this price structure, not only just the crossover of this Williams alligator indicator, also the 50 exponential moving average crossing over the 20 exponential moving average. Let me switch the chart. So now if we look at this price action of Bitcoin right now, I told you guys, hey, if you see this green line crossing over the 50 exponential moving average, just like with the Williams alligator indicator, that has also indicated a very bullish scenario. And to confirm that, I showed you guys with the help of this RSI, whenever the RSI level is above 50 and also this crossover is happening, that indicates the trend is bullish. And now you can see RSI is clearly above 50 level, and also this crossover 20 exponential moving average crossing over the 50 exponential moving average, indicating a very bullish trend. It doesn't mean now that trend is going to hit in this manner, right? I'm actually expecting some sort of a pullback and then price continue like this in an uptrend. But you can see this in a daily time frame is actually showing us that, hey, we have to be careful, because the upper line rejection has clearly been seen here, and we might see price coming to retest the previous high structure. And I'm actually expecting price to come around this 11,100 area, so that I could take a long position from here on, guys. And also one thing what is actually bothering me still is the volume, because if you look at this volume here and look at this price movement here, the volume is decreasing, right? This is a divergence, the volume divergence, that actually shows us that, hey, the market participants are not interested in seeing the price rise, or the investor are less interested in the upside move, because we are seeing the volume divergences. The price is moving to the upside, but the volume is clearly decreasing. So this is also one point to take into consideration, because right now you can see the rejection here after reaching the upper line area, and I'm actually expecting price of Bitcoin to come back to retest this 11,100 or 11,000 price level, and then I will be looking for long opportunities, guys. But for now, you can see here this crossover is happening right now, indicating the trend is bullish, and also the RSI is clearly above the 50 level, which is also giving us one more confirmation that the trend is an actual bullish trend. And now if we look at this scenario also with the help of this monthly CPR, let's switch the chart. So now if we look at this price structure of Bitcoin, guys, with the help of this monthly CPR, you can see right now in a daily time frame, the price of Bitcoin is clearly heading to the upside. So according to this monthly CPR, the green line area, which is at 11,950, that is actually our target level for this October month. We can go even higher, but for now this 11,950 is our target area, guys. And to the downside, you can see the support line is at 9,700 area, but now since the price is clearly above the monthly CPR level, this monthly CPR level is now going to act as a very strong support. Because when you look at this primary trend, you can see the primary trend is still very bullish for Bitcoin, right? And every time when we also saw this ascending channel, the R1 target level for that particular month has always been reached. You can see here this example here as well, But for September, this CPR was clearly left open. You can see in September the price never got opportunity to close above this monthly CPR level. We had a downtrend, but now the price of Bitcoin is above the CPR, the monthly CPR level, which is actually giving us an indication, hey, this here could be a sign that now until the October month the price could actually come and test this air 1 level, the monthly air 1 target level, which is around 11,950 area, which I've already said you guys. So to the upside you can see what is happening, but I also showed you with the volume which is completely like decreasing. Even the price of Bitcoin is actually in an uptrend. That's why this is one point which I will also take into consideration, because I told you guys I'm actually expecting a price to get one more pull down, right, and then a pull up like this, and then I will be looking for long opportunities, I've already mentioned. And also guys, the reason why I'm actually expecting price to reverse around this 11,000 price level again before continuing to the upside, there is a reason. Let me show you the chart. So now if we look at this price structure here in an hourly time frame guys, you can see this is price structure what we saw here, the accumulation phase, the uptrending channel indicating, hey, the price when we were heading to the upside also formed a really nice bullish flag breakout, again similar price structure, bullish breakout, and this here was a runaway. So you can see a massive pump, and now this actually could be an indication the price may be in a distribution phase. Doesn't mean that it has to drop guys, as I said you, but I am actually going to look in this particular scenario, and this particular scenario looking into different perspective, this is also a 5 up 3 down wave confirmation. What I mean by that is that this here, this is 1, right, this is 2, this is 3 if you are familiar with Elliott wave. So this is 5, and now what I'm actually expecting is this A, B, C. That is the corrective wave. So what happens when this corrective wave forms? Where am I actually looking at? I'm actually looking at price level of 11,100 to 11,000 price level. So that's why I was talking about, hey, if we see a price drop or price correction around this 11,000 to 11,100 price level, there I will be looking for long opportunities guys, because that will also indicate now this here, this motive wave and corrective wave, even though the primary trend could be bullish, you can still see after that we might be forming another motive wave to the upside guys, and that is what I'm seeing right now. So this video is short, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button and the bell if you're watching this for the first time. So guys, by saying this, I'm signing off. My name is Anup. Bye bye.